Pulinkari. In Malayalam, we call it as Pulinkari. And the main importance is for the tamarind syrup. That is why it is known as Pulinkari. And usual vegetable is ash gourd for it. I have taken one lime size tamarind, squeezed and syrup taken. Little curry leaves. Little cumin seed powder. Little Asofeotida. Little turmeric powder. Little salt to taste. 6 to 7 green chillies ripe. And finally, for garnishing, little coconut oil. In between, I have taken 1 coconut milk which is liquefied and 2 tomatoes sliced. And the main item of ash gourd around half kg. And along with it, I am going to mix little cowpeas around 150 grams. This will give an added taste to this particular tamarind curry. First of all, I am going to add this tamarind syrup. Next, this green chilli ripe one. Next, salt. Next, this turmeric powder. Next, this curry leaf. Now we'll wait for 5 minutes so that everything gets cooked properly. It has been cooked. Now towards this, we'll add this ash gourd. It is around 50% cooked. At this stage, we will add this cooked cowpeas. You can also call it as long beans also. Now we'll add this towards this. Asofeotida, jeera powder. We'll add this tomatoes. Now we'll wait for another 5 minutes. Yes, now everything has been cooked properly. Now we'll just add this coconut milk. My ash gourd tamarind curry is ready. That is Pulinkari, Yalavan Pulinkari. Now for garnishing purpose, I am adding little coconut oil towards it. Everybody can try this at home and relish your lunch with this particular only curry. It's so tasty. Everybody can try. These Keralites are really marvelous. They are so good in cooking and they cook in such a way that everybody loves to have Pulinkari as much as they can. So, thank you.